Alright, so here we go again. Running the water. We woke up this morning, which was less than 6 hours ago. The music is still playing downstairs. So we'll let it run just for a minute or so. Okay. And okay. So we're running. Is it solid? Yeah. Okay. Just show it to me, Hassan. Here, just keep it there. Okay. So we're running at a solid 19 again. Okay, and you can clearly see the tap is on maximum, and the date and the time is, you can see it's 9:48 on the 1st. Okay, so now that is a total of at least 12 and 6. Yeah, it's at least over 18 hours that we've been without hot water.